most. It's hard to come out these clothes, cause I like to flex and just pose. I might just make a little post. I fuck on a bitch and get well. She keeps scratching all on my back. I had to get that bitch back. She keeps scratching. My hoes can't see me like that. She keeps scratching. I call up my bro. Tell him the money, the motive. I don't give a fuck about no hoe. You know it's more on the road. Damn. Had to leave home. Damn. I'm tryna grow.
10,000 flows. I done went east to the west, still been the best since jeans with the stress, tryna get 4 pockets full. Haven't seen me in a minute, baby girl, I know I've been gone. I don't know where I'm going, but it ain't here though. 24 carats in my ear, though I can't hear broke, but I'ma miss you next year when you disappear, cause you didn't feel no voice. You gon' have to hear my voice. I don't let them get no choice. They looking for the clout, no doubt. Heard that niggas get no coin. He put up a shot, then flop. Didn't even get a free throw point. You ain't heard bars this hard since Drizzy with the P-coat, boy. Miss it with the tenfold. Make a couple bags, flip it tenfold. Give it to the kinfold. Leaving business class and I land soft like a double insole. Sick nigga spitting with his mask off. Got a bad cough in my nose running, cut my neck and wrist cold.
This year I put me first, cause last year I was hurting. 2020 I was in a curtain, losing purpose. Couldn't see a sign even if it had a turban. My self-respect intact when I found God through a burden. Running but I couldn't have my face when I surfaced. Running but I couldn't have from pain, so I searched it. You know it's all inside, within is where I'm certain. Myself is where I'm working. A lot of time alone looking like a different person. Making all this money, spend it all on reassurance. I buy some high ends, in the end I just deserve it. I probably died for my purchase. You know I gotta buy it all, my chill is different versions.